So, you're sending cold outreach, but you keep on landing on the hidden requests. I'll not only show you how to get out of the hidden message requests, I'll also make you start getting more replies, including how I was able to get a reply within an hour after sending only 5 DMs. But first, why is this happening? These are definitely the reasons that got you into that position in the first place. First, you're in the hidden message requests and you just don't know yet. And if that's the case, you won't even know until or a client says it, or if you test it with another alternative account that you might have. If you want to test that out, you can send over a message to my Instagram and just let me know, like, either let me know exactly how I wrote it, and I'll let you know if you're in the hidden message requests or if you're landing on my actual message requests. Second, you're sending a lot of DMs and rarely are getting replies from them or even getting your messages open. Third, you're often getting blocked by the prospects. Before, there used to be a change where it used to change from the client handle to blocked user, but I'm not really sure if that's happening now. But if you're getting blocked constantly, odds are you're already in the hidden message requests and you don't even know it. Fourth, you're low on followers, you're not active on Instagram, and you're still spamming messages like you were the guy. But there's still hope if you find yourself in the hidden message requests. In the time I was also still in the hidden message requests, one and another client who would actually accept my requests and have my messages go through like usual. But I won't lie, it's not as easy as landing directly on the message requests. You become less trustworthy and people start thinking that you're spam or like you're a bot or something like that. But that's not the end of it. There's still a fix. You just have to put some extra elbow grease into it. The first method I'll share is to basically stop over sending cold DMs. You really just need to be sending about 10 DMs to get replies. And I can guarantee you, like I showed you in the example, the first example I showed you, I only sent 5 DMs and I got a reply within an hour. I actually posted those results on my Discord, so if you want more context on that, you can find it on the submission channel. I basically guarantee that and I can vouch for that. And if you join the community, you'll find more of these gold nuggets that I post there usually. Method number 2, you should engage or have some sort of relationship with the page before sending a DM, because that often makes it more probable that you won't go to the hidden message requests. If you like the page or if you comment on some of the posts or if you follow them, Instagram will see that you're not a bot and that you're actually active and you're doing something, and they won't often put you in the hidden message requests. The more often that you only send DMs and you don't get replies and you get blocked and stuff like that, Instagram's trying to get rid of all the bots, just like Twitch is doing, It's very often that you see drastic results like these. So if you're getting on the hidden message requests, it's not like the end of life or something like that. Just get your followers up, put your profile like intact, and I guarantee you that you will be able to get back to the message requests as usual. The third method, if you thought that you were in the hidden message requests and you aren't, following these exact steps that I'm going to list to you, I guarantee that you will be getting replies. Your main account should link to your business account or it should have your work on it. 2, your account should have a good handle, a good profile pic, a good bio, because these are the first things that your client sees when they hop onto your Instagram. It's like a no-go if you are using like dots and hashtags in like uncertain ways that don't go on to your brand, Just try to keep it simple. If you have to use your whole name, just use it, but don't be looking spammy. 3, to keep this video relatively short, this video right here shows you how to find and actually, in the first base, contact a client. But resuming, you have to find them on YouTube and actually send them a voice message like as a first message. 4, send about 10 DMs a day, but spread them as far as possible. My sweet spot personally is 15 DMs a week. And I actually get replies, but since I'm managing a ton of stuff, it's hard for me to keep track of them, and I start limiting myself to even sending like 5 or even 10 a week, and I still get replies. But that's just because I'm lazy. 5, and it won't always be that the person replies in the first hour. I just calculate the time zone and stuff like that, so I found him like when he was awake or when he was already on Instagram. One thing that you should notice is when that message goes from sent to seen, that opens a door to like potentially follow up with them and them actually being a client that you will always be going back to see if they responded or responding or them being on your main list of clients that you actually got through, that's like a go-go. That's literally my sauce, and I and my students guarantee it works. Send me your screenshots through Discord and I'll help you get better.